Hello guys, so if you're looking to get free gifts on Temu, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place. Because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, firstly open the application. Then click on the U page at the bottom part. Now, after that, just simply click on Earn and Free Gifts. Then just simply go to Fishland, click on it. And over here you will find all of the gifts are free. So just simply pick one of the gifts, whichever you may like. So I will be using this cleaner. So click on your gift. Now choose the color that you want and hit continue. Now over here your address and phone number will be shown. So if you have multiple address, choose your address that you want the product to be delivered. Then after that click on get free item. Now as you can see it's still $0 and nothing will be charged. So after that you might find a small ad. So just simply go through the ad. So after you finish the ad you should find yourself to this particular page. So just simply click on feed fish. Now play this little game. Now after you have collected a lot of food, just simply feed a fish and then just simply hit collect. Now as you can see, the fish has been added over here in a bar. Now you have to do the same process 4 more times to get your product for free. Now to get the food, what you have to do is just simply click on friends at the bottom left corner. Now over here just simply click on invite more friends. Now just simply choose your preferred social media application or just simply copy the link to send it to your friends, and when they will join the application you will get food, and then you can feed that to the fish and you will get the food and the reward. You can also try on the way, which is the get more option right besides friend. You can click on that and then over here you can see a few tasks that you have to do to get food, like invite new user to the app, reward for share, invite a friend, browser items for 45 seconds and etc. So you can do all the mini tasks over here to get more food, and over here it also says how many food items you will get. So use them and finish the entire bar of fishes and then you can get your product for free. So you will have 6 days to complete the entire task. So within 6 days you have to complete it. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.